William Knibb Memorial High School student fatally stabbed at school. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A grade 10 student at the William Knibb High School was fatally stabbed by another student during an alleged confrontation at William Knibb Memorial High School in Trelawney on Monday morning. The deceased has so far been identified as 16-year-old Camille Hall. Reports are that at around 11:30 p.m., the two students had an argument that escalated into a fight. A knife was brought into play which was used to inflict stab wounds to Camille. The injured student was rushed to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. The other student involved in the altercation is now in police custody. The Falmouth police are investigating. Detectives assigned to the Falmouth Criminal Investigation Branch on Tuesday charged a 16-year-old in connection with Monday's fatal stabbing of Camille Hall, also 16 years old, of the William Knibb High School in Trelawney. Hall, who was from D-side Trelawney address, was the goalkeeper of the school football team that competed in the recent DaCosta Cup competition. He was fatally stabbed following an altercation with the accused over a ring. The accused was charged after being questioned by detectives in the presence of his attorney. He is scheduled to appear in the Trelawney Children's Court on Friday.
Well, we just heard that the victim, it was alleged that he stole a ring from the perpetrators, the one who killed him, friend. And he decided not to confront the person about the ring, and it seemed as if an altercation ensued, and the student was stabbed. Many of these students are wearing these rings that they seem to value dearly. You know, we have quite a few of them that we have confiscated over time. You know, quite a few of them that we have confiscated over time. So I don't know what value they have placed on these rings, but we constantly taking away these rings. So just want to let you know what we are up against. We are constantly confiscating these rings, and the more you confiscate them, the more they come. So it seems as if that was the problem. We are really devastated. We consider our school to be a safe environment, and we do not expect such tragedy.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.